Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A15 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And since we've got our keyboard turned on and opened, then we have to take a look at this option bar and let's enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and they should appear somewhere here. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages at the very top. And this is actually the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to actually full list of all available keyboards, layouts, from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide. I'm sure that you will find the language you would like to set. So let me find the language which is quite graphic, I would say, because I would like to show you the actual difference. So let me pick Assyrian. So if you will find the language you'd like to set, just tap on it. And here you can also choose the region sometimes. So just tap on it again and tap on Done. And as you can see, it is immediately applied to the list. So now we can go back to the camera and check to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually two differences. The first one is that the space bar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. What's more, next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So as you can see right now, I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again and again English. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language from the keyboard, because you actually do not need, probably you do not need two different languages added. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you would like to remove, and in my case it will be Assyrian, and tap on this trash bin icon. Let's get back, and as you can see, we just got back to the very first stage of this keyboard. So the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, so it means that we cannot change the language. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your OPPO A15. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.